I had to take my shoes off. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute? Alright. Alright, now can you sing to Aunt Marjorie?
First I had to dance off the flower fairies.
The dance of the flower fairies?
Because I have my dress on.
You do have a dress on.
I climbed into a play.
Oh, turn around so Marjorie can see you.
Yeah.
Can you show her your pliés?
I never
Alright, are you ready to sing happy birthday to her?
First I had to do one more dance. I had to run in a circle until I get dizzy.
And how long will that take?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Then I will sing a happy birthday. So it will take 3 minutes to Disney.
Can you sing happy birthday and dance at the same time?
I can't do that. That makes me hurt and fall down. How the song goes?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Marjorie. Happy birthday to you.
Do you want to tell her a story too?
I'm running in a circle. This will take me 10 years. Then I will sing another happy birthday.
You'll sing her another happy birthday? I'm sure she'll like it.
My song is called The Alright. Happy birthday. I don't know that song. I have to get some balloons for her birthday.
Oh, balloons for her birthday. That's right. All right, ready? Happy birthday. Are you going to sing too, Lucy? Well, will you at least tell Aunt Marjorie happy birthday and wave to her? No, over here, Lucy.
Happy birthday.
Oh, wait, here comes Ellie. Ellie, come say hi to Aunt Marjorie.
I want to say hi to her.
That was a kiss.
Hello. Hi.
Ellie, can you say hi to Aunt Marjorie? Oh my goodness. Here, switch. Switch cameras.
Look at that baby climb.
Alright, Ellie.
Yay!
Yay, Aunt Marjorie! Yay! Ellie says,
Oh.
I will give camera a kiss. Okay, Ellie, you ready to dance? Let's do a little baby dance. Ellie, can you dance? Sometimes you'll dance on your own. No, not so much. Alright, can you at least wave? Wave to Aunt Marjorie. Can you wave? Say bye-bye, Aunt Marjorie.
Bye-bye. You could say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Whatever.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Give her a kiss.
Give kisses?